Today we're going to make shrimp fettuccine alfredo. The ingredients are 1/4 a cup of butter, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of shredded parmesan, pepper, salt, basil, and garlic. We're going to put two pots with water, and then we're going to put salt on them and then let it boil. In this case I'm putting 2 pots because I'm going to make the fettuccine in one, and then the other one I'm going to use a smaller pasta. In another pot we're going to put our 1/4 of butter, and then we're going to let it melt. We're going to put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, but in my case, because I'm making more, I put 2 cups. Then we're going to put our garlic, our salt, our pepper, and the basil, and everything is to taste. We're going to add 1 cup of shredded parmesan, and then we're going to let it boil. And in our other pot, once it's boiling, we're going to put the oil and then put the pastas. As you can see right here, now it's boiling, so we're just gonna move it for a little bit, and then it's gonna be done. Now we're gonna put in a pan 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna let it melt. And in our plate, we're gonna just pat with the paper our shrimp to take the excess water. Here I'm pouring the pasta. Now we're gonna put our shrimps, and then we're gonna put salt and pepper, and we're just gonna let it for a couple of minutes until it's kind of pink orangey. And then we're just gonna start turning them. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic, just so I can have a little bit of that taste. And then our shrimp is done. This one is also done. We're gonna pour our fettuccine and take all the water out. We're gonna pour it back in, and what I do for it not to stick, I put a little bit of oil, and then I just move it. Now we're gonna pour our shrimp. We're gonna mix around. And then we're gonna put half of our Alfredo sauce in one pot, and then the other half on the other one. I didn't put a lot because we don't really like that much sauce, but it was enough for us. Now we're going to do the same with the other one. And then our Alfredo fettuccine is done. This is our plate, and I hope you guys like it. We'll see you next time.